Hi, I'm Kevin, part of the Streamlight sales team. I have the brand new Streamlight BearTrap here. It's our work light, super flexible. Instead of designing a light with a clamp on it, we designed a light that is a clamp. Super flexible. The inner part that actually holds the battery and the light rotates all the way around. Lighting wise, it's going to give you a flood mode with a maximum output of 2000 lumens for 2.5 hours. If you hold the button down while it's on, it's going to switch modes into spot. That's going to give you a maximum output of 1000 lumens for 4 hours and 30 minutes. So 3 big magnets, get the light into place. You know, pretty easy working on something with a metal hood or steel hood with magnets. But what happens when you have a vehicle with aluminum hood or a composite hood? You need either a big long bar light or some other, different mounting mechanism. So this thing's going to open all the way up. It actually goes a little beyond 90. The silicone rubber is going to protect the paint job from getting messed up. So you just clamp it on and then get the light exactly where you need it. It's super versatile. Check it out. So if you're using it and the battery does die, you can just plug the light in and it's going to run from AC Power indefinitely. So some other mounting tricks you can do if you're working inside a vehicle. You can go right on the steering wheel, and then you can, can't see it, light up the entire headliner. And if you're doing overhead work there, going down to the floor. If you want to light up behind the dash, you just rock this thing up, put it under there, and you're good to go. Awesome light, super versatile. When you're not using it, it's compact. You can throw it right in the toolbox, so for safe storage. And check it out, the BearTrap from Streamlight.